Hello everyone, welcome to PT Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 62nd video in this series. It means that we have already covered 61 highly repetitive and real exam questions, and now we are going to see the 62nd. इसके साथ साथ we have discussed the tips, strategies and hacks how to solve them. So let's get started, but first things first, now PT is accepted in the UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it through PT. And now 90% of universities in Canada accept PT academic. By now you would know that I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT, and my name is Bharat. And in this video series, we discuss the questions, we discuss the strategies, the tips and hacks, how you can achieve your target score in PT. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now coming to the PT reading, it is of 32 to 41 minutes. And it has 5 question types, but it is not scored out of 90. It is scored out of 47 marks. And the order for the questions is this. And reading filling the blanks is the second last question in this series. Okay. And this is the real scoring. Why reading filling the blanks are important? Because out of 47, 15 marks are for your reading filling the blanks. It means that if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. So these are very important. And this is how you can see 90 of reading is calculated. The scores comes from listening as well as speaking as well as writing. So what is our strategy for solving reading filling the blanks? We have to solve our reading blank in 2 to 2.5 minutes. You cannot take more than this time. But क्या इस time period में सारे words पढ़ के सभी का meaning समझना easy है? The answer is big no. What you need to do, you need to develop the art of skimming, and then you have to apply the grammar hacks which we teach to our students online as well as offline. And in this video series also we discuss such things. This is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so I'm back. You know that the first thing we do is we skim it to understand the tone. Positive tone है, negative है, neutral है, gist, central, overall idea किस बारे में reading filling the blank है. Along with that tenses, present tense है, past tense है और future tense use हो रहा है. So let's get started with the skimming. The dash observer doesn't necessarily recognize the dash in how a teacher, for instance, responds to a thoughtful question from a normally quiet student, and how that may be very different from the standard response to a commonly inquisitive or dash student. Expert teachers are aware of what they are doing. They monitor and adjust their teaching behaviors to bring out the dash in their students. Okay. तो बच्चों के बारे में बात हो रहा है, टीचर के बारे में बात हो रहा है कि जो inquisitive means जो जिज्ञासु होते हैं, they want to know more things. Now why I have put a star over here? Because this is a signposting word. Important grammar tip that before signposting word, if it's coming in the middle, there will be a comma before and the comma after. Okay. Now the second thing, once we have understood it, once we have skimmed it, is what we do is I say as parts of speech classification. जितने भी options होते हैं, we see these are nouns, pronouns, adjective or adverbs, because we solve on those bases. So let's do it. Skill. Skill क्या है? Skill is a noun, right? Stand. कोई चीज stand हो रही है. Stand करना. It can be used as a verb. Slow. Slow as adjective भी use हो सकता है, like slow pace, slow person, and as a verb भी use हो सकती है. Talkative. एडजेक्टिव लाइक टॉकेटिव पर्सन, टॉकेटिव चाइल्ड, विशेषता बता रहा है. कैजुअल लाइक कैजुअल क्लोथिंग, कैजुअल पर्सन, कैजुअल मीटिंग, अगेन विशेषताएं हैं तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी एडजेक्टिव. बेस्ट सुपरलेटिव है, राइट, कि बेस्ट, राइट, सुपरलेटिव, गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. ग्रोथ, growth is your noun. Once we have done parts of speech classification, the second thing, now we are going to start solving it. We are going to use our grammar hacks, grammar strategies. We do not read it contextually because we do not have that much time. So observer क्या है? Observer is your noun. Noun से पहले क्या आएगा? Noun से पहले हमेशा आता है adjective. Now we are going to use process of elimination. In that we are going to eliminate all other parts of speech. जैसे आपको adjective रखना है तो noun, superlatives you can remove, verb you can remove, right? So now you have three options: slow, talkative and casual. अब जस्ट सी द फॉरवर्ड रीडिंग के बेसिस पे, बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे स्लो भी भर सकते हो, स्लो ऑब्जर्वर भी हो सकता है, टॉकेटिव ऑब्जर्वर भी हो सकता है, कैजुअल ऑब्जर्वर भी हो सकता है. बट अब अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए इसमें क्या बात हो रही थी, क्वाइट स्टूडेंट, फ्रॉम अ नॉर्मली क्वाइट स्टूडेंट, राइट, थॉटफुल पर्सन. थॉटफुल का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? लाइक जो बहुत ज्यादा कैजुअल हो, राइट, जो हमारा कंटेक्चुअली गिवन है. तो द आंसर फॉर दिस वन इज गोइंग टू बी कैजुअल ऑब्जर्वर. Now let's move on to the next one. Doesn't necessarily recognize the dash in how a teacher, right? अब teacher जो observer है, जैसे जो student है, वो recognize नहीं करेगा कि teacher कैसे respond कर रहा है. So recognize the skill, okay? स्किल, टीचर में कैसा स्किल है कि वो एक नॉर्मल पर्सन को, टॉकेटिव पर्सन को कैसे आंसर कर रहे हैं, थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन को नॉर्मली क्वाइट स्टूडेंट के लिए कैसे आंसर कर रहे हैं. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक. इंक्विजिटिव और डैश स्टूडेंट. अब इंक्विजिटिव और है एक इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट विच वी टीच टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स इज पैरेललिज्म. अब यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट है, स्टूडेंट इज नाउन, नाउन से पहले क्या आएगा? एडजेक्टिव आएगा, ओके. और कॉमनली इंक्विजिटिव भी वो विशेषता ही बता रहा है स्टूडेंट की, राइट, इंक्विजिटिव स्टूडेंट, जिज्ञासु स्टूडेंट. अब आपको अगेन यू कैन यूज प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू कीप योर एडजेक्टिव्स एंड यू कैन रिमूव अदर वर्ड्स. सो अब आपको दो ब्लैंक्स में से एक ब्लैंक फिल करना है, या तो आप स्लो भरेंगे या टॉकेटिव सिलेक्ट करेंगे. सो इंक्विजिटिव क्या होता है, राइट? अब यहाँ पे देखिए नॉर्मली क्वाइट स्टूडेंट, राइट, और है तो आपके पास ऑप्शन दी होगी जैसे पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, राइट. सो दिस तरह से, सो द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी टॉकेटिव स्टूडेंट, ओके, राइट. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस वन इज गोइंग टू बी talkative student. I hope this was clear. Let's move on to the next blank. Bring out the dash in their students. क्या bring out करते हैं teachers students में से? The answer is going to be best. और the another grammar rule, always remember जितने भी हमारे superlatives होते हैं जैसे good, better, best, सो सुपरलेटिव्स के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज होता है? द यूज होता है. सो अनदर थिंग जो रीअफर्म करवाती है कि यू आर गोइंग टू यूज बेस्ट ओवर हियर. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर नाउ. नाउ लेट्स सी इफ ऑल द आंसर्स वर correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, you can easily solve reading filling the blanks. Now, what are the right strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, you need to do skimming, forward reading. Today you saw the importance of forward reading. जैसे हमने वहाँ पे inquisitive, talkative select किया, casual क्यों select किया? Because we had seen कि आगे एक responsible person की बात हो रही थी, तो observer क्या होगा? Casual होगा, वो difference नहीं बता सकता. Backward reading is also important. Then tone analysis is important. For lexical resource, there are collocations, phrasal verbs, and vocab which we need to focus on. For grammar, we have a complete grammar course for our students. In that, we teach them parts of speech. You have seen how important parts of speech are. Then subject-verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules and sentences. All this we teach to our students. This grammar course will not only help you in your reading, but also going to help in your listening as well as writing. And always remember that you just have 2 or 2.5 minutes at max to solve your reading blanks. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content to the parts of speech classification like we have done. In next 90 to 120 seconds, you can use process of elimination like you have seen we did कि हमने adjectives रखे, बाकी सारे options eliminate कर दिए. It's help because 6 options में से choose करना is difficult, but when you have to choose from 2 or let's say 3 options, it gets little bit easier. कि जो probability है, chance है कि आप right answer select करोगे वो increase हो जाता है. And then you have to apply our strategies, hacks which you have learned, and only then you can solve your answer in 2 or 2.5 minutes. And all the strategies which we teach to are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. So if they have achieved, you can also achieve. These are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81. If you have any questions or doubt, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp us at 8699121121. If you want to take coaching, institute, or online, do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.